Do you have all the yarn in the world but no idea what to make with it? Here you have 100 things you can crochet. A car bag, a vinyl pillow, a bag with containers, a star pillow, a wheel pouch, a spiderweb headphone decoration, a beach bag, a jellyfish, a case for all your crocheting tools, a Hello Kitty cup holder, a little rat with a bag, a Coraline circus mouse, a cat scarf, a Hawaii Hello Kitty bag, wrist warmers, dishcloths, a belt, a desk mat, a laptop sleeve, a goose glove, a granny square bag, a frog, a tea bag bookmark, Sanrio charms, a matching set, a penguin pouch, leg warmers, a hedgehog pin cushion, a phone charger holder, a duck ring tray, a candle cozy, coasters, a wheeled tissue dispenser, a fruit hammock, an off-shoulder sweater, a vine phone charger, a lily of the valley charm, a messenger bag, a cat trinket tray, banana cat, a mushroom earring hanger, an AirPods case, a granny square backpack, a gemstone holder, a granny square blanket, a book cover, Coraline fingerless gloves, a checkered rug, a steering wheel cover, a Hello Kitty beanie, a fish bag, a star rug, a piano scarf, star earmuffs, a cute dress, a matching star beanie and arm warmers, star cardigan, a halter neck tube top, a striped sweater, a stingray Kindle sleeve, a hibiscus flower top, a Spider-Man beanie, a picnic blanket, a starry night blanket, a mini skirt, a star blanket, spiderweb gloves, a little painting, a leaf beanie, a Botsmaru phone case, flower clips, a flower pillow, ghost earrings, a creeper scarf, a bell pouch for DS cartridges, strawberry earrings, frames, a flower hanger, a banana bottle holder, cat taps, a Hello Kitty bikini, a hibiscus bag, an album cover tapestry, a fish pouch, a cassette tape bag, sugar cat, a goose bag, roses, pizza coasters, strawberry leg warmers, a turtle keychain, a melted hamster, a seashell bra, a thermal image tapestry, an apple scrunchie, a cookie scarf, a wreath, a UFO sucking up a cow, tea bags. Last but not least, suit sprites. Okay, that was 100 things. It took a while to compile these things. I got them from Pinterest. I will put all the links to the original images in the description. So subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. You can suggest new videos that I can make in the comments or in the community tab. Well, that was 100 things to crochet, so I hope you now have something that you can crochet. I hope I picked out some good things. Well,